Hi friends, I'm Kavita. This channel is all about cooking traditional Indian recipes for my American and Western friends with locally available ingredients. Today, I'm going to show and explain some of the common spices that typically we use in Indian cooking. It is more important to know the alphabets to learn words. Likewise, it's more important to know the common spices in Indian kitchen to learn Indian cooking. Turmeric powder. It is not only added for color but for its health benefits. It contains bioactive compounds, it has anti inflammatory effects, and it is a very strong antioxidant too. Mustard seeds. It is a black tiny seeds used in almost all the South Indian recipes for seasoning. However, it has a lot of health benefits like aids digestion, speeds up your metabolism. Chili powder and whole dry chilies. It is nothing but the dry peppers. It is impossible to imagine Indian cuisine without red chilies or powder. Beyond adding taste, our dishes get healthier with every pinch of red spices. It fights inflammation, promotes digestion, relieves nasal congestion, etc. Fenugreek seeds. It is a herb and common spice in Indian dishes. It has numerous health benefits. This controls blood sugar levels, aids digestion, helps counter acid reflux or heartburn, and lot more. Black pepper. Hope many of you know black pepper. It's commonly used more in preparing non-vegetarian dishes. It is high in antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties, improves blood sugar control and have cancer fighting properties. It is a versatile spice. Cumin powder and cumin seeds. It is one of the most important ingredients in all Indian cooking. It promotes digestion. Cumin is rich in iron, promotes weight loss and fat reduction. Coriander powder and coriander seeds. As cumin, even coriander is one of the common spice used in all the dishes in Indian cooking. Some impressive health benefits are it is very rich in immune boosting, antioxidant, benefit heart health, protects brain health and promotes digestion. Cardamom. Cardamom is a spice that is used for centuries both in cooking and as a medicine too. We are going to use this more in desserts, sweets and in dishes to flavor them. It has antimicrobial ability and helps in oral health, liver health and aids digestion. Fennel seeds. It is more commonly used in preparation of rice varieties and curries. It is good in smoothing muscles in stomach, helps in digestion, helps in relieving gaseousness or acidic reflux. Bay leaves. This spice is most commonly used in non-vegetarian and vegetarian dishes for its flavor and also for its health benefits. It is a good source of vitamin A, C, iron, calcium and magnesium. This also helps in digesting food faster. Poppy seeds. This spice is added to have a good aroma to any cuisine. It has a nutty taste. It improves digestion and helps in bone strength. Very efficient cure for mouth ulcers. Star anise. It is a spice used for flavoring the cuisine. However, it has good health benefits too. It helps in improving digestion, reduces nausea. Consuming this tea after meal helps treat digestive ailments like bloating and constipation. Cloves. This versatile spice is used in many Indian cuisine. It adds flavor to the hot beverages too. They are best known for sweet and aromatic spice. Have also been used in traditional medicines. It is high in antioxidant, help protects against cancer, helps in oral health too. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a favorite household spice used in Indian cooking. It has an antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Its prebiotic properties may improve gut health, relieves digestive discomfort. Asafoetida powder. It is one of a very common flavoring agent used in most of the South Indian cuisine. It has many health benefits too. Helps in improving digestion and it's a good source of antioxidant too. Garam masala powder. It is nothing but a blend of ground spices shown here. Also, you can find the proportion of each spices to make homemade garam masala in the description box. It is always good to make homemade garam masala powder. Anyhow, I would recommend all my friends to have these spices in your pantry if you like to try and taste Indian cuisine. Hope this video is useful for you friends.